Hi, Miss.
Okay, are you ready for our
Yeah.
speaking test today? Hello, Iva.
Hi, Miss.
Are you ready for our speaking test today?
Inshallah, I'm ready.
Okay. First question about your English. First, can you speak English?
Yes, I can, but a little.
Okay, where do you study English?
I'm studying English in my school and my course.
Okay, how many times do you study English a week?
I'm studying English 3 times a week.
And what do you study, or what day do you study English in the course and in your school?
In my school, I study English on Monday, and in my course, I study English on Monday and Thursday.
Okay, why do you study English? Tell me your reason.
Because English language is the international language, and because I will need the English language for my study, and because I will be a doctor.
Okay. And who is your English teacher in the school and in the course?
In my school, my teacher English is Memasta, and in my course, my teacher English is Miss Sahra.
Okay. What is your method in learning English?
My method in learning English is memorize, reading, writing, and speaking.
What do you think about your English teacher in the course?
I think my English teacher in my course is so kind because she never angry with us, and she teach. And ya Allah,
Uh, what is your who? What do you think? Sorry. What do you think about your English teacher in the course?
I think my English teacher in my course is so kind, and because she never angry with us, and she teach us with patience.
Okay. And how much do you pay for your English course?
In my course, I pay around 200,000 rupiahs with each month.
Okay. How can you go to English course?
I go with motorcycle.
And how long have you been studying English?
I been study English around 7 months.
Yeah. Next, are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at number 4 senior high school of Bantay.
Okay. What grade are you?
I'm 3 grades.
Next, do you have favorite teacher?
Yes, I have.
Who is he?
He is Mr. Jabal
And why do you like Mr. Jabal?
because Mr. Jabal so kind with us, and she always invite us to go at beautiful place. One of them Bira.
Okay. Very good. Next, what do you like about your school?
I like much at my school, but I'm like the library so much, and the
Laboratory.
laboratory, and I like the
Most.
most
Okay.
the most.
Next, what do you hate about your school?
I had the security from my school, and I had the naughty student in my school.
Okay. Are you happy when the teacher is absent?
Depend on the situation. If the teacher is my favorite teacher, I feel sad if the teacher is absent. But if the teacher is not my favorite teacher, I feel happy if the teacher is absent.
And what do you usually do if you have free class?
If I have free class, I and my friends go to the canteen to eat together. But sometimes we go to at beautiful place. One of them the Pinus Rombeng.
And do you ever get punishment at your school?
And I never get the punishment in my school because I'm a good student.
Okay. Next, about poor man spot. Can you tell me your job as a poor man?
Yes, I can tell you. My job as a pure man is helper.
Okay. Tell me your activity, your earning, your joy and sorrow, and your dream in the future.
My activity to be a helper is in the morning I wake up before my boss wake up, and after that I cook the breakfast for my boss family, and after that I clean myself and my room, and in the day I cook the lunch and wash the clothes my boss family, and in the afternoon I sweep and mop my boss family home, and in the night before my boss and his wife back to the home, I cook the dinner, and I clean the kitchen before I already to use, and my earning to be a helper is around 1,500,000 rupiahs, and my joy and sorrow to be a helper uh, is I can eat good food, and my sorrow to be a helper is I have clean my boss home 3 times a day, and because my boss home so wide, that is make me tired in the night, and if I wake up in the morning, and my future is I will be a success people.
Next, tell me your opinion. Tell me your opinion about Bantaeng.
My opinion about Bantaeng is Bantaeng is a small city, but in Bantaeng there much beautiful place. One of them Pinus Rombeng, Muntia Hangland, and Bisapu Waterfall.
Okay, tell me your opinion about your best friend.
My opinion about my best friend is she is so kind, and she is chatty girl, the little, and she like blue color so much, and she like meatball, and she from Bulukumba, but she live with her auntie in Tanete.
Okay, tell me your opinion about your mother.
My opinion about my mother is she is the good woman, and she is the good people, and she is the good mom. But sometimes always angry in the morning if because my younger brother always forget where he put his sock, his book, or his clothes.
Tell me your opinion about your school.
My opinion about my school is my school so good because in my school there are many good facility. One of them the library, the laboratory of biology, the laboratory of science, and and club for art.
Okay. Next, can you explain the working procedure of how to make soto noodle?
Yes, I can. The tools are knife, pen, bowl, spoon, stove, and fork. The ingredients are water and noodle. The steps are the first, open the pack with a knife, and the second, uh, fill the water on the pan, and the third, turn on the stove and put the pan on the stove. The fourth, if the water is boiling, pour the noodle on the pan and wait until 5 minutes. And the last, pour the boiling noodle on the bowl and add the seasoning and mix with a fork and spoon. And now we can serve the soto noodle.
Next, do you agree or disagree if capital city replaced to Kalimantan?
I disagree if the capital city replace of Kalimantan because I think the government have built the city from started the safety institution, healthy institution, and any are that. And I think the government have used much money or build the city from now from start.
Yeah. Do you agree or disagree if your parents take some sworn children?
I'm disagree. I'm very disagree. If my parents if my parents will be get the sworn children, because I think my parents already to have four children. One of them is me, and I think I can crazy if I have a sworn sibling, and I think I can kill my sworn sibling if I have. And I think I don't want to the death, because the I don't like the corruptor so much, because they take many on other people, and they they take money from our other people, and they use the other money from other money
Other people's money.
others people money for the personal business, and she didn't think for the country's future, and because that I hate the corruptor so much.
Do you agree or disagree if you are being a volunteer at any disaster place?
Depend on the situation. If I have will be a volunteer at any disaster place, I will being the volunteer at any disaster place. But if I can help by donation, prepare help by donation, because I'm sure if my parents not didn't give me permission to being the volunteer at any disaster place.
Do you agree or disagree if women just stay at home?
I disagree if the woman just stay at home, because I think the woman can do activity in outside, and in this moment the woman can compete with men, and they are more superior than men.
Next, about problem solving. I will give you the problem. It's about an naughty student. The case is Aldo is a naughty student on his school. He goes to school not for studying, but just make a problem with his classmate and others different class, and sometimes with his teachers. What is your solution about him?
The first identification problem. Aldo go to school not for study, but just make a problem with his classmate on with his other classmate. And the second, the cause, she is the he is a broken home victim. His mother and his parent divorced, and that is why he always make a problem in school for forget the intention, and he always make a problem because he uh, didn't get care and love with his parents. The effects for his family is some his family, because Aldo's habit and make the environment talk about Aldo's bad habit, and the effect for his environment is nothing one close with his, because to his to him because 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 Aldo have the bad habit,
His future?
and the effect for his future is the Aldo's future can screw, because Aldo bad habit can make his grades in school the down, and that is why Aldo can difficult to get the good job.
The solution?
The solution is talk with his parents to give love and attention with Aldo and talk with his parents to talk each other with Aldo for make Aldo is habit.
Next, tourism ambassador. Would you promote one tourism place in your region?
Today I want promote the tourism place is Herbal Waterboom. Herbal Waterboom located at Champaga Village, Tompok Bulu Tompok Bulu district and Bantaeng region. And in herbal waterboom for adult and in herbal waterboom there are 3 swimming pool for a toddler, for a kids and for adult. In herbal waterboom there are floating duck. We can play maximal with 3 people and herbal waterboom located among rice field. That is why make atmosphere in herbal Bantaeng so cool and so beautiful in the morning. And because that herbal waterboom so beautiful in the morning.
I think that's all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.